Kevin here from Harrington Classic Car Restorations in Asheboro, North Carolina. Today we're working on the 73 Mustang. We're cutting out the rust in the passenger side quarter panel. As you can see, there's still a little bit of rust behind it, so we will take our sandblaster and we'll sandblast the rust that's inside there, and we will treat it. So here's your piece that we cut out. We trace it on that panel and we'll cut onto the inside of this line, and we'll take our magnets and tack it in. We also treat the back part of that panel with 3M weld through primer, and then later on we will undercoat that quarter panel again. On there, now we'll take this off, and what we're going to do is we're going to take this 3M weld through primer and we're going to spray that piece of metal to protect it. We'll let that dry for a little bit and we'll put that back up there and we will weld it in. Around, I will actually take my sandblaster and sandblast where I did weld, and then we'll fiberglass it. Put us out. That patch is done, and we got to move over onto this one. We'll get that one done. There she is.